So let's talk about how AI and ML is benefiting the investment landscape. With the advancement of AI in every sector, it should come off as no surprise as to what it brings to the table next. And that would be its deep sinking clause in the investment business. Asset and wealth management companies are already looking into possible AI solutions for enhancing their investing choices or utilizing their massive historical data sets. Asset management for digital assets or distributed industrial assets are applications where a wealth of data about the assets, such as their past performance or past maintenance records, is already being recorded, making them the prime candidates for automation through AI. Further, unsupervised learning techniques could possibly give investment businesses a competitive edge by informing investment decisions in novel and fascinating new ways. These, when applied to financial data, news, industrial sensor data, or even social media data, are already a past success. A rising number of manufacturers have started implementing AI applications, such as predictive management, which are already doing very well with established case studies across various sectors. AI is used in the investment portfolio management sectors to model risks or even anticipate hedge fund success. Additionally, it appears that the number of startups offering AI management hedge funds is increasing. There is uncovered evidence for and against these funds outperforming human traders, and there doesn't appear to be any clear consensus on the subject, making the positive performance of these AI hedge funds in doubt. Additionally, it appears that suppliers of portfolio management services are embracing low-hanging fruits like chatbots and data science algorithms. Other comparable fundamental AI applications in this field, such as robo-advisors, have the potential to change how customers interact with the brands within the next 2 to 5 years. Even the large investment organizations have severe potential to profit from AI applications, from raising customer lifetime value to shortening the time wealth managers need to prepare for a client call. Investment firms may boost the success rate of AI projects and avoid initiating pilots with suppliers who are unlikely to produce a ROI by using AI opportunity landscapes. So, what is your opinion on the same? Comment below. And to keep up with such trends, do follow our channel.